As tears go by. Rolling Stones, goodbye, Marianne, faithful. Yes, neither of the day, and I sit and watch the children play. Smiling faces I can see, but not for me. I sit and watch the tears go by. My riches can't buy everything. I want to hear the children sing. All I hear is the sound of rain falling on the ground. I sit and watch as tears go by. It is the evening of the day. I sit and watch the children play. Smiling faces I can see, but not for me. I sit and watch as tears go by. That's As Tears Go By, written by the Rolling Stones and obviously covered by Marianne Faithfull, who sadly passed away yesterday. Rest in peace. So long, Marianne.